Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw leads from HubSpot CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw leads from HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts section located in the top menu. In the Contacts section, you will see a list of your leads and other contacts. Use the search bar to find specific leads if needed by entering their names or email addresses. After locating the leads you wish to withdraw, select the checkboxes next to their names. Once your leads are selected, look for the More drop-down menu located at the top of the contact. Click on the More drop-down menu to reveal additional options. From the drop-down, choose Export to prepare your selected leads for withdrawal. A new window will appear where you can choose the export format. You can select from various formats such as CSV or Excel, depending on your preference. After selecting your preferred format, click on the Export button. HubSpot will then process your export request, which may take a moment. Once the export is complete, you will receive a notification at the top right of the screen. Click on the notification to download your exported file. Keep in mind that the file will contain all information related to the leads you selected. You can open the downloaded file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Review the information to ensure it meets your needs. If you need further assistance, refer to HubSpot's support page for detailed help. That concludes the process of withdrawing leads from HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.